Hello, guys. Welcome to EDU Academy, your go-to place to learn and grow in tech. If you're starting out or just brushing up your basics, you're in the right spot. Let's dive in and start learning together. All right, guys, let's begin with part 1, a fun quiz on computer history, hardware, and basic tech facts. You'll have 10 seconds to answer each question. Let's jump into Section A, Computer History. Here we go. All right, let's kick off with question number 1. Who is known as the father of the computer? A. Bill Gates. B. Charles Babbage. C. Alan Turing. D. Steve Jobs. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Let's go. Time's up, and the correct answer is B. Charles Babbage. He's called the father of the computer because he designed the first mechanical computer, the analytical engine. Question number 2. Who is known as the father of artificial intelligence? A. Alan Turing. B. Charles Babbage. C. John McCarthy. D. Tim Berners-Lee. Take your time. You've got 10 seconds to think. Time's up. The correct answer is C. John McCarthy. He coined the term artificial intelligence and organized the first AI conference in 1956, laying the foundation for the field. Question number 3. ENIAC is considered the first A. Personal computer. B. Supercomputer. C. Electronic general purpose computer. D. Mechanical calculator. Take a moment. You've got 10 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is C. Electronic general purpose computer. ENIAC was developed in the 1940s and could handle a wide range of numerical calculations, a major leap in computing history. Question number 4. Who invented the World Wide Web, also known as the WWW? A. Bill Gates. B. Tim Berners-Lee. C. Steve Jobs. D. Dennis Ritchie. Take your time. You've got 10 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is B. Tim Berners-Lee. He invented the World Wide Web in 1989 while working at CERN, changing how we access and share information forever. Question number 5. Which company created the first commercially successful personal computer? A. Microsoft. B. IBM. C. Apple. D. Xerox. Think about it. You've got 10 seconds. Time's up, and the correct answer is C. Apple. The Apple II, launched in 1977, became one of the first mass-produced and widely used personal computers. Question number 6. What year was Microsoft founded? A. 1975. B. 1985. C. 1990. D. 1969. Take a moment to think. You've got 10 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is letter A, 1975. Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen, and it went on to shape the modern software world. Question number 7. Which programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie? A. Java. B. Python. C. C. Basic. Take your time. You've got 10 seconds. Time's up. And the correct answer is letter C. C. Dennis Ritchie developed the C programming language back in the early 1970s. It's still a foundation of many systems today. Question number 8. What does IBM stand for? A. International Business Machines, B. Indian Business Management, C. Interbit Machine, D. Information Board Management. Take your time. 10 seconds on the clock. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter A, International Business Machines. IBM is one of the oldest and most influential tech companies in the world, leading the way in business computing since the early days. Question number 9. Who developed the Linux operating system? A. Steve Jobs, B. Linus Torvalds, C. Richard Stallman, D. Ken Thompson. Think about it. You've got 10 seconds. Time's up, and the correct answer is B. Linus Torvalds. He created Linux in 1991 as a free, open-source OS kernel, and it's still powering millions of systems today. Question number 10. The first computer virus was known as A. Creeper, B. I Love You, C. Brain D, Morris Worm. Take your time. You've got 10 seconds. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter A, Creeper. The Creeper virus first appeared in the 1970s on ARPANET, the early version of the Internet. That wraps up Section A, Computer History. Great job so far. Ready to jump into Section B, Computer Basics and Hardware? Let's go. All right, guys, now that we're done with computer history and general info, let's move on to Section B, Computer Basics and Hardware. These next 10 questions will test your understanding of how computers actually work and what's inside them. Let's go. Question 11. What is considered the brain of the computer? A. RAM, B. Monitor, C. CPU, D. Hard drive. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter C, CPU. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is called the brain of the computer because it handles all instructions and processing. Question 12. Which device is used for input? A. Printer, B. Scanner, C. Monitor, D. Speaker. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter B, scanner. Scanners are input devices that convert physical documents or images into digital format for the computer to process. Question 13. Which one is not a storage device? A. CD, B. Pen drive, C. Mouse, D. SSD. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter C, mouse. A mouse is an input device used to control the cursor on screen. It doesn't store data like CDs, pen drives, or SSDs. Question 14. What does RAM stand for? A. Ready access memory, B. Read it memory, C. Random access memory, D. Run access memory. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter C, random access memory. RAM temporarily holds data and instructions that the CPU needs while performing tasks. It helps your system run faster and smoother. Question 15. What is the full form of USB? A. Universal Serial Box. B. Universal System Bus. C. Universal Serial Bus. D. Unique Serial Band. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter C, Universal Serial Bus. USB is a common standard used to connect devices like keyboards, mice, flash drives, and more to your computer. Question 16. Which is faster, SSD or HDD? A. HDD, B. SSD. C. They are equal. D. Floppy disk. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter B, SSD. SSD, solid-state drive, is much faster than HDD because it uses flash memory and has no moving parts, making it quicker and more reliable. Question 17. Which of these is not an operating system? A. Windows. B. Linux. C. MS Word. D. Mac OS. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter C, MS Word. MS Word is a word processing application, not an operating system. An OS, like Windows or Mac OS, manages hardware and software resources. Question 18. Which component displays visual output? A. Mouse. B. Printer. C. Monitor. D. Speaker. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter C, monitor. The monitor visually presents text and graphics. It's the main output device for computers. Question 19. What is the purpose of an operating system? A. Draw pictures. B. Play music. C. Manage hardware and software. D. Browse the web. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter C, manage hardware and software. The operating system acts as a bridge between the user and computer hardware, making everything work together. Question 20. Which type of memory is permanent? A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Cache. D. Register. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter B, ROM. ROM, or read-only memory, stores permanent data even when the power is turned off. Great job finishing Section B, Computer Basics and Hardware. Now let's keep the momentum going as we head into our final round. Section C, IT and General Tech Facts. 10 questions. This part will cover common tech knowledge, internet basics, and everyday tools you probably use, like Gmail, shortcuts, and more. Let's see how much you really know. Ready? Let's begin. Question 21. What does WWW stand for? A. World Wide Web. B. Web Worldwide. C. Wide Web World. D. World Web Wide. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up, and the correct answer is letter A, World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a collection of information accessed via the internet using web browsers. It lets us browse pages, watch videos, and more. Question 22. What is the shortcut key for copying on Windows? A. Ctrl plus C. B. Alt plus C. C. Shift plus C. D. Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Think about it. 10 seconds to go. Time's up. The correct answer is letter A, Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C is the common keyboard shortcut used for copying selected content. Question 23. Which email service is owned by Google? A. Outlook. B. Gmail. C. Yahoo Mail. D. iCloud. Ready? You've got 10 seconds. Time's up. The right answer is letter B, Gmail. Gmail is Google's free email platform used by billions of users worldwide. Question 24. What is phishing? A. Virus. B. Hardware failure. C. Tricking people to steal data. D. Gaming technique. Take your time. You have 10 seconds to answer. Time's up. And the correct answer is letter C, tricking people to steal data. Phishing is a type of cyber attack where attackers pose as trustworthy sources, like banks or websites, to steal personal information such as passwords or credit card numbers. Question 25. What does URL stand for? A. Uniform Random Locator. B. Uniform Resource Locator. C. Unique Reference Link. D. Uniform Resource Link. Here comes your 10-second timer. Time's up. The correct answer is letter B, Uniform Resource Locator. A URL is the web address of a page on the internet. For example, https://www.google.com is a URL. Question 26. Which company created the Android OS? A. Microsoft. B. Apple. C. Google. D. Nokia. Clock's ticking. You have 10 seconds. Time's up. The correct answer is letter C, Google. Google acquired Android in 2005 and developed it into the world's most widely used mobile operating system. Question 27. Which is not a programming language? A. Python. B. Java. C. HTML. D. Excel. Think quick. 10 seconds on the clock. Time's up, and the answer is letter D, Excel. Excel is a spreadsheet program used for calculations and data analysis, not for writing code like Python or Java. Question 28. What is the function of a firewall? A. Make computer faster. B. Protect from viruses. C. Block unauthorized access. D. Install games. Time to answer. You've got 10 seconds. Time's up. The right answer is letter C, block unauthorized access. A firewall acts like a security guard. It filters traffic and blocks access from suspicious sources. Time's up. The correct answer is letter A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is used by web browsers to communicate with websites and load web pages. Time's up. The correct answer is letter A, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is used by web browsers to communicate with websites and load web pages. Question 30. Which of the following is an open source operating system? A. Windows, B. Mac OS, C. Linux, D. Chrome OS. Last one. You've got 10 seconds. Time's up. And the final answer is letter C, Linux. Linux is free open source software. Developers around the world contribute to it, and it powers servers, Android phones, and more. And that's a wrap for today's video. We've covered 30 fun and beginner-friendly questions, from computer history to computer basics and hardware, and finally, IT and general tech facts. We hope you learned something new and had fun along the way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow. Once again, this is EDU Academy, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and take care.